the child of a parent will inherit the features unless the child element is given a separate value. And I'll show an example. In this CSS file, we have two selectors. Now, these are class selectors. We have the main list and custom list. These are just custom names. For the main list, we have a color dark blue, and for the custom list, we have a color dark green and font width bold. So that will make the text bold. So take into consideration and remember these two selectors. Let's go to our HTML. In the body, we have an unordered list. Generally, it has a class applied to it, and the class applied is the main list. So that means everyone inside is going to inherit features from the main list selector. So that means C++, which is a list item, Java, Android. Now notice that Android has a sublist inside, and that list will still inherit from the parent, which is inheriting from the parents again. So no matter how many children we have here, it's still going to inherit from that parent main list selector. Now, when we go down, we have another list item, but we see a custom list is applied to that list item, custom list class selector. That means that this will have a different look. So without this, it's supposed to inherit from the parent, but now it has its own selector applied to it. And remember that the custom list was green and bold. So that is what will happen. So this is just to explain that normally inheritance, without anything happening, the child will inherit from the parent. But if you specify a styling for the child will take that as preferential and forgo the inheritance. So this is how our web page looks. We can see that the other list items and even the children inherited the blue color, but this other list item took the green and bold.